offered one checklist covering an aspect of job searching. We have gone from identifying your career values to learning how to create a posting, research an employer, and updating resume and LinkedIn.
Now, what's less obvious are 3 more purposes of why we might want to be doing some benchmarking.
Why this is being done, and so everyone can fully engage and be on board.
Implementing the new strategy and making all the changes took another year. As we look back to see how far we have come during the pandemic, your support cannot go unnoticed. We want to thank you for being a part of BadaB's journey and wish you the very best during the holiday season and in 2022.